Hey guys, welcome back to GB Cars. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a product I bought. Basically, it's a dent removal kit and it's going to be used to remove dents from my vehicle. Now, there are a few minor dents on the door and close to the fender of my car, and we're going to be using this kit to remove the dents. So we're going to be looking at what comes in the package and how to use a dental removal kit. No, it's neatly packaged in this box. Just got it. Let's see what comes in the box. So we have one of the dental removal devices. So I guess this is used with different tips that they have. I'm going to be looking at them, and these are the tips. So they are used with a glue gun. It's supposed to be in a package. I will have a shamai just to clean the surface. We have the glue bits. We have light color ones and dark color ones. I guess the colors shouldn't really matter. So they are used with a glue gun. It's also in the kit. And you would glue this against the panel and then use the different devices to pull it out. So the bits go onto these devices, and I guess by tightening or loosening here, it would pull out the dent. Now we have also other things that come inside of it, such as these rivet tools that I use to hammer in. I guess you would hammer around corners. We have alcohol that is used to remove the glue from the metal after you're finished. We have a variety of bits that also comes with it. I guess depending on the size. Depending on the size of the dent that you're removing, you would use either this or the smaller ones, the smaller dents, to glue against the surface of the car. Now we also have this metal device that is also used to remove dents. And they come with a section here, it's heavy metal that you, I guess, pull against. So let's see how it is. Let's pull it out. Here, this section here. We also have an information booklet to give you further instructions. So it's a bit straightforward. You glue against the panel using the glue gun. Then once you stick against the panel, you can use the different devices there to pull against it. And then when you're through, you use the alcohol and this device to pull it off the metal. So should be straightforward. I'm going to do a follow-up video actually removing one of the dents so we can see exactly the process. And it also comes with this cool bag that I can pack away stuff in. So let's go to the car and see if we can remove a dent or two. Okay, so the first step is to clean the area, whether with a damp cloth. You can use either alcohol or water. I'm just using water in this case. Just to clean the area. It's not a very big area. Okay, it's right here. Get it nice and clean there. Okay. That's it. And that's how you remove a dent from your car.